Feel stuck in a career that doesn't excite you? Wondering how to pivot into tech, but not sure where to begin? You are closer than you think. Introducing Fortray's Data Analyst Career Change Bootcamp, a program designed for beginners with no experience but big goals. With over 7,000 learners, a 98% job placement rate, and a money-back guarantee, this is your fast track into the tech industry. Learn from real experts still active in the field, get one-to-one mentorship, and build a portfolio of real-life projects that prove your skills to employers. In just 6 weeks, you could land your first role in IT support or data analysis, earning between £23,000 and £35,000 with a roadmap to 6 figures. We will guide you every step of the way, and with flexible, 0% finance options, you can enroll now and pay later. This is not just a course, it's your career reset. Book a free call today and take the first step toward a data-driven future.